Hello, Namaste. My name is Janardan Reddy, State Audit Officer from the Government of Telangana, and I am also a differently able person. I am a polio victim. I have family. I stay here with my wife, my son, my daughter-in-law, and my daughter and son-in-law stays in USA. This home is G+2. I thought of going for one lift because age advances. I feel I may not climb stairs, and it will have stress and strain on my knees also. So in order to keep myself healthy, fit, and able to move freely, I planned for a lift in my home. I made a lot of inquiries. And my son Samarendra, who does real estate and interior designing, and he, after making a lot of survey in the market, he has chosen for this Nibav Lifts. And this office also there at Banjaras. Before making a choice on Nibav, my son has took me to their shop, and they have made a demo. So I inquired technicalities and also safety features with Venkat Reddy, who is in charge of their Nibav. After fully getting convinced with the safety, security features, we have finally chosen for this Nibav, and this work was executed during pandemic period. And you can see this from this Nibav, and it occupies less feature and it is absolutely noise free which normally happens in a mechanized lift. It is noise free, and there is a child lock facility also there inside. One good feature is there. And in the emergency situation, there are door opening system is there from the lift and outside the lift also. Very easy also. And locking system is also there. And in case of power failure, the lift will automatically comes down and slowly in a slow motion. One need not panic about it. Normally, we have some fears when they may get into lift and power offs and we get stuck into lift. But in this lift, it is not coming. It is absolutely safe, secure, good in elegance. Maintenance also very good. At the back of call, they'll come and attend it call. And 1 year maintenance they are giving it free. Maintenance also free it is there. 1 year maintenance free also they are giving very free it is. So the overall features of Nibav Lift is very good. After installing this lift, many of my friends and neighbors, they are coming and making these trade inquiries also, and utility and functioning of this lift also. I recommend the Nibav Lift to people like me, and people for anybody who is 50 plus, and for children also they can go and come freely also. So that's a big choice, deciding factor for me to opt for the Nibav Lift. I thank them also for recommending me a good lift for our house. Lift has added good elevation to our home also. Okay, now we are part of Nibav family. Thank you all.